So we have a little problem. The pileated woodpecker is peeling away at the base of this pine tree, which will fall on the house if it carries on, because it's taking out just this side. Now, it's not the pileated woodpecker's fault. In fact, if he was chewing up into the middle of the tree around fairly evenly, I wouldn't even be that worried about it because the stress is even, but he's picking on just this one side pretty much, and maybe a bit on the other side. But the pileated woodpecker actually should be thanked, because I can see in the core of the tree is totally rotted, and it's right down by the root, so that's very bad. And it also happens to be the prevailing wind, so it will push it this way toward me and toward our house. So it's got to come down. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to triangulate some ropes on a big maple over there, maybe that maple, and then I'm going to, there's another tree there maybe. At any rate, then I'm going to tie a rope between the two ropes to add tension, and that way it's kind of being held by one of these trees. I'm not really great with that one right there. I might even do the one in behind there, but that's kind of, I would like a little forward. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Bottom line is, that way it can't swing toward the house, because as I start cutting, it may just let go. You don't know for sure how bad it is there. Okay, I used an extension ladder to head well up there. Oh, can you see? It's pretty bright, so hard to...
Yeah, you get it. I can see you get it.
Okay, it's up there. So I did two ropes. Well, one rope, one long rope, over and tied to the crotch there. Well, it is a crotch technically. It attaches at the bottom, but well up high. And then came back around another tree right there, and back to the tree to create a bit of a triangle, and then I cinched them tight as I could to create a little tension on the rope to get me started. Now, I'm not going to cut down where the bird is, wrong tree, down where the birds. I'm going to come up a bit, but this is actually tricky because now there's tension. The tree could splinter off, so some safety equipment, work boots, that kind of thing, safety glasses, hard hat, I'll get that stuff on and hope for the best. And I'm going to notch above into this area and then come down the backside quite steeply to have it hopefully go where I want it. And once it gets started, ideally it will continue to go. Oh, and I'll take out, this is a dead thing, so I'm just going to take it out too, just so it's not in my way. So there you go.
He's tied up there. Today is March, March the 10th, 2020. There it goes. There it goes. Beautiful, Roy. Beautiful. You did really good.
Now, I'll nip it to drop it to the ground level.
Right.
And I'll cut that off so you can put a little plant on it.
Oh, that'd be good.
And not to look too ugly.
Right.
That was like the perfect drop under the circumstances. I miss getting hung up on the big maple tree.
Yep.
Which is perfect.
Yep.
So now I'll just do 10-foot lengths or whatever. keep dropping the butt end, and it didn't splinter off. Look, you can come close now and have a look how dead the center is.
Okay, the snow is slippery, so I have to be careful here.
And this is why you still recording?
Yeah,
Oh my God, she's gonna be forever.
have to be careful.
And this is why you shouldn't be upset with the
Woodpeckers.
pileated woodpecker for chewing up your tree. He's actually giving you, look
A
how
warning.
dead that is, right? All in the center, just the outside. This is the kind of tree in the windstorm could shatter easily and just snap. And as you saw, it was leaning toward our house. So
Yeah.
so anyway,
Yeah, see
Good.
the rot? Look at the rot.
yeah.
How,
Okay.
how do you take pictures?
Oh, just push the picture symbol there. There you go. So I'm going to carry on here.
Okay. Oh, scared me. See all the tie-up Roy had to do? Oh,
Thought it might come my way a bit, eh?
yeah. So it was hung up there. There it goes. Right down. That's good, Roy.
You know what?
What?
We're going to leave that. It's a natural fence.
Oh,
Right like that.
the only thing is, Roy, that's where we, okay.
We'll
How,
look.
how do I turn this off? Turn it off now, right?